सरस्वती नृत्यतु वाच्यं मे सदा सुप्रभातं स्वागतं शुभस्वागतं। नवमकक्षायाः प्रतिदर्शि प्रश्नपत्रं वयं पठन्तः स्मः। My dear students, welcome to class 9th. We are now discussing the model paper as per the CBSE model of the class 9th. Let us continue from the exercise where we have left. रचनात्मकं कार्यं 12 मुख्यप्रश्नः वर्तते। भवान् वाराणस्यां स्थितः उमेशः, भवतः मित्रं सोमेशः प्रयागे वसति। सः नवमकक्षायां प्रथमश्रेण्याम् उत्तीर्णः। तं प्रति लिखितं वर्धापनपत्रम् उचितशब्दैः पूरयित्वा लिखत। First, before you fill the complete the letter, first you should understand the question very well. Bhavan Varanasyaam sthitah Umeshah. Your name is Umesh. You are staying in Varanasi. Bhavatah mitram Someshah Prayage vasati. Your friend Somesh lives in Prayag. Saha Navamakakshayam Prathamashrenyam Uttirna. He passed in class 9th in the first division. तं प्रति लिखितं वर्धापनपत्रम् उचितशब्दरूपैः पूरयित्वा लिखत. So you are writing a letter congratulating him. First of all, before you write come to read the letter, you first go through the Manjusha, then automatically it will flash you when you read the letter properly. Varanasi taha, from Varanasi. Mitravarya, my dear friend, tatrastu, let it be there. Mama, mine. Gnatva, after knowing. Esha, this, that in Strilinga. Umeshah, name. Who are you? Are the Umesh. So your name is Umesh. Parikshayam, in the examination. Sadasyanam, all the members. Somesh, your friend is the Somesh. So easily you can write. Many times it so happens you will get confusion. You think that you are Somesh and your friend is Umesh. It should be very clear that your name is Umesh and you are writing to your friend Somesh. Astu. So here we are starting. Narayanam Samskrita Vidyalayaha. So Narayanam Samskrita Vidyalaya. You are writing from the Narayan Sanskrit school. Where it is? So automatically it should be in, because you are writing. It is the from address. So it is Varanasi taha. From Varanasi you are writing. Priyamitra, my dear friend. Who is your friend? So Somesh. Priyamitra Somesha. Namaste. Atra kushalam. Everything is fine here. Expect the same there. So third one, tatrastu. Atra kushalam, tatrastu. Bhavatah patram patitva gnatam yat. After reading your letter, I came to know that Bhavan dash prathamasthanam praptavan. Where did you get first place? In the examination. Bhavan parikshayam pratham sthanam praptavan. Idam dash mama chittam prafullam jatam. After knowing this, my heart has become very happy. I felt very happy at heart. Idam gnatva mama chittam prafullam jatam. Dash etat sarvam tava satata parishramasya eva phalam asti. What is this? Bhavatah etat sarvam jatam etat sarvam tava satata parishramasya phalam asti. Etat kim? Etat kim iti gnatavya. Atra मित्रवर्याम् एतत् सर्वं तव सततपरिश्रमस्य एव फलम् अस्ति my dear friend. It is because of your hard work. मम गृहस्य सर्वेषां सदस्यानां पक्षतः भवते वर्धापनम्. From all the family members of my home, we are congratulating you. भवान् उत्तरोत्तरं सफलतां प्राप्नोतु. In the coming future, you be successful in all your fields. डैश अस्माकं शुभकामना. सी शुभकामना इति स्त्रीलिङ्गे अस्ति, तस्मात् एषा अस्माकं शुभकामना. दिस् इस् अवर् ग्रीटिङ्ग्. माता पितृचरणेषु, on the lotus feet of your parents, mama pranamaha. I do my pranamas. Anujaya sneha rashihi. Please convey my love to your brother. Bhavataha kaha Umesha. Bhavata mitram Umesha. Like this, you have to write the letter. Next exercise is 13th main. Chitram drishtva मंजूषायां प्रदत्त शब्दानां सहायतया पंचवाक्यानि संस्कृते लिखताम्. Always keep it in mind that they ask you to write 5 sentences. It doesn't mean that you should write 5, because they want 5 correct sentences. Adhikasya adhikam palam. Write more, get more. Don't fix yourself for the 5 sentences. Always write more sentences. How to write sentences? There are 2 ways. First, look at the picture and write the sentences what you see in the picture. Otherwise, you can take help of this manjusha, the words given in the box. Manjusha means box. So these words will help you to construct the sentence. So all can look at the picture and everybody's ideas are very different. Now let us know the manjusha. These words, if you understand them very well, you can write the sentences very easily. श्यामपट्टम. श्यामपट्टम blackboard. गणितस्य mathematics. अध्यापिका teacher. सावधानम silently with concentration. बालकाः students. लिखितं written. प्रश्नाः questions. घटिका यंत्रानुसारम according to the clock. समयः time. शोभाम beauty. पठ is a dhatu to study. अष्टवादनम it is 8 o'clock. पुष्पपात्रम. पुष्पपात्रम means flower vase. Samvardhayati increases the patta. Patta again is a dhatu. So you can write the sentences like this. Esha ganitasya kaksha asti. Esha ganitasya kaksha asti. Adhyapika ganitam pathayati. बालकाः सावधानं तिष्ठन्ति. बालकाः सावधानं तिष्ठन्ति. अध्यापिका प्रश्नं श्यामपट्टे लिखति. बालकाः उत्तराणि पुस्तके लिखन्ति. कक्षायाम् एका घटिका अस्ति. घटिकायां समयः 8 सूचयति. इदानीं समयः 8 अस्ति. श्यामपट्टस्य समीपे एकं पुष्पपात्रं अस्ति। अध्यापिका ज्ञानम अथवा गणित ज्ञानम, अध्यापिका गणित ज्ञानम संवर्धयति। बालकाः आनंदेन पठन्ति। अध्यापिका संतोषेण पाठयति। मम प्रिय विषयः गणितम् अस्ति। गणितं मम प्रिय विषयः अस्ति। एवमपि भवन्तः लिखितुम् अर्हन्ति। Like this you can write your own sentences as many as, and remember that when you write the sentences कर्ता क्रिया मेलनम स्यात्. So you sometimes you take subject in singular and write the verb in the plural. So always remember that if you take the karta in ekavachana, your kriya also should end in ekavachana. If you follow them, it is very easy for you to get a full marks. चतुर्दशः प्रश्नः अस्ति 14th main. अधोलिखितानि अधोलिखितानि वाक्यानि संस्कृतेन अनुवादः क्रियताम्। अधोलिखितानां वाक्यानां संस्कृतेन अनुवादः क्रियताम्. So it is given in both the languages, that is Hindi as well as in English, to help you, but you have to write these sentences in Sanskrit. And here also only 5, answer any 5 is asked. So here also I suggest you take my advice that try to write all the sentences. If in between 1 or 2 goes wrong, you will get 5 out of 5, my dear students. And as being a English medium students, I know that you will study in English, and after studying, after reading the sentences in English, if you can write in Sanskrit, it is well and good. And if you can't write, sometimes you don't get some vocabulary, some words, you understand them but you don't get, where what will help you? The Hindi. You just read it, the Hindi sentences. Almost in Hindi Sanskrit words are used, so in replacing words will become very easy when you read the Hindi one. First look at the English ones, then you can try. If you don't get it, try in Hindi, so automatically it will get. Students go to school for reading. छात्र पढ़ने के लिए विद्यालय जाते हैं. छात्राः पठितुं विद्यालयं गच्छन्ति. So this you should be very careful because छात्राः बहुवचनं. छात्राः to study, then tumun pratyaya will come. पठितुं, लिखितुं, हसितुं, you know that. छात्राः पठितुं विद्यालयं गच्छन्ति. The Himalaya stands on north side of Bharat. Bharat, India, is it? So that's why Bharatasya उत्तर दिशायाम. See, it is given in Hindi. भारत की उत्तर दिशा में हिमालय स्थित है. भारतस्य उत्तर दिशायाम हिमालयः स्थितः अस्ति. अस्त्युत्तरस्यां दिशि देवतात्मा हिमालयो नाम नगाधिराजः. कालिदासस्य श्लोकं स्मरन्ति एव भवन्तः. तुम सब मैदान में गेंद से खेलते हो. यू ऑल प्ले विथ बॉल इन द प्ले ग्राउंड. विथ, बाय, इट ऑलवेज टेल्स द तृतीया विभक्ति. सर्वे बालकाः कन्दुकेन क्रीडाङ्गणे क्रीडन्ति. अथवा भवन्तः सर्वे अथवा यूयं, तुम इज देयर. त्वं, युवां, यूयं, तुम सब. यूयं कन्दुकेन क्रीडाङ्गणे क्रीडथ यूयं सर्वे क्रीडाङ्गणे कन्दुकेन क्रीडथ अनन्तरवाक्यमस्ति टीचर्स गिव prize a is missing teachers give prize this is not prize prize id prize to students is it एतत् शिक्षक छात्र को पुरस्कार देते हैं शिक्षकः छात्राय पुरस्कारं ददाति शिक्षकः छात्राय पुरस्कारं ददाति I go to home मैं घर की ओर जाता हूँ अतीव सुलभमस्ति अहम गृहं गच्छामि झूठ मत बोलो डोंट लाई झूठ असत्यम असत्यम मा वद असत्यम मा वद you can write asत्यम मा वदतु is also correct कबूतर ऊंचा नहीं उड़ता pigeons doesn't fly high कबूतर किं वदामः कपोतः कपोतः उपरि न उड्डयते कपोतः उपरि न उड्डीयते एवम् अस्माभिः अनुवादः करणीयः भवति कपोतः उपरि न उड्डयते कपोतः उपरि न विहरति अति उपरि एवम् अनन्तरं पठित अवबोधनं now you are getting 15th question onwards literature part you are starting it is as you know one prose section one poetry section and one drama section will be taken now in the reduced syllabus it is only for 3 marks each section will be there 15th first we are starting with the prose one अधोलिखितं गद्यांशं पठित्वा प्रदत्तशब्दानाम् उत्तराणि संस्कृतेन एव लिखत पुरा कस्मिंश्चित् ग्रामे एका निर्धना वृद्धा स्त्री न्यवसत् तस्याश्चैका दुहिता विनम्रा मनोहरा चासीत् एकदा माता स्थाल्यां तण्डुलान् निक्षिप्य पुत्रीम् आदिदेश सूर्यातपे तण्डुलान् खगेभ्यो रक्ष किंचित् कालादनन्तरम् एको विचित्रः काकः समुड्डीय तमुपजगाम all of you know that this part is taken from the lesson विचित्रः काकः स्वर्णकाकः सुवर्णकाकः भवति एवं भवन्तः जानन्ति एव पाठस्य अंशम् अतः प्रश्नं प्रति गच्छामः एकपदेन उत्तरता only 2 questions you have to answer कुत्र एका निर्धना वृद्धा स्त्री न्यवसत् एकपदं ग्रामे उत्तरं ग्रामे तस्याश्चैका दुहिता कीदृशी आसीत् उत्तरं विनम्रा अथवा मनोहरा विनम्रा मनोहरा द्वयमपि पुत्री इत्यस्य विशेषणम् एवं किंचित् कालादनन्तरं कः दुहिताम् उपजगाम that is किंचित् कालानन्तरं कः पुत्रीम् उपजगाम print mistake is there so you can take it question easily कः काकः विचित्रः काकः पूर्णवाक्येन उत्तरत now you have to write the answer in complete sentence माता पुत्रीं किम् आदिदेश उत्तरम् अस्ति माता पुत्रीं सूर्यातपे तण्डुलान् खगेभ्यो रक्ष इति आदिदेश काकः कीदृशः आसीत् how was the crumb काकः विचित्रः आसीत् काकः विचित्रः आसीत् वृद्धा स्त्री कीदृशी आसीत्? वृद्धा स्त्री कीदृशी आसीत्? उत्तरं वृद्धा स्त्री एका निर्धना आसीत्। वृद्धा स्त्री एका निर्धना आसीत्। एवं स्पष्टरूपेण भवन्तः उत्तराणि लिखन्तु। अग्रिमकक्षायाम् अनन्तरप्रश्नान् पठामः। भवतु शुभदिनं, भवतु अनुदिनं। धन्यवादाः।